Hey guys, so as you guys know, we have recently opened up an Etsy shop for some of our woodworking, and we wanted to show you guys one of the videos here of us making the solid cutting boards that we recently added to the shop. So if you haven't had a chance to check it out, we would totally appreciate just a like or going to check it out. It is etsy.com/shop/rodneyswood. But more importantly, what has made this possible is having this awesome new workbench, so I wanted to take a minute to tell you guys a little bit about our new workspace. Our friends over at Enjoywood sent us over this 60 by 22 inch steel frame workbench capable of holding 2,000 pounds. It arrived in a flat pack box which was super easy to move and lift and assemble with just one person. The instructions were easy to understand with both its descriptions and images. When you first start, you start with the best part, in my opinion, which is the built-in plug with 4 AC plugs built right into the bench legs. The rest of the frame was really easy to assemble with the Allen wrench provided and our drill, though later on I did grab a set of pliers just to help me tighten a couple of the nuts. I was really surprised at just how sturdy every component of this workbench was, including the adjustable legs, which comes in handy. As you guys know, I am not super tall, and most workbench kits don't have nearly the height adjustment range that this one does. Also, the feet are great on any surface type. Ours is currently being used on gravel without any worry. You just assemble the different components of the feet with the little rubber grip pads and then slide those on, or I should say screw those on, to the steel leg frame. Once the frame is assembled, you just have to line it up with the pre-drilled holes on the workbench top and set your screws. Enjoywood is providing our followers with 20% off your purchase with code RNJ20OFF. See the link in the description for details. The best part, in my opinion, is the stability, the plugs, and the pegboard all built right into the frame. This would also work really well as a craft table because of its size and stability, but for woodworking has really helped us launch our new Etsy shop by giving us a nice, clean, sturdy, and organized place to work. Alright, so now back to the cutting boards. We've created a design that is 6 by 9 inches, which is great for traveling, small kitchens, quick chopping, or honestly even that van or RV life. We've used a chamfer along the bottom edge to make it easy to use and clean. And of course, had to have some branding in there because let's be honest, it's the best part of woodworking and it's so satisfying. I mean, seriously though, just check that burn. It's so clean. And after we're done with our final sand and get everything cleaned, everything is finished off with a food safe cutting board grade oil. So if you haven't had a chance to check out the store, take a peek and let us know what else you think we should add. These cutting boards come in maple, oak, cherry, walnut, mahogany, and that super cool Purpleheart. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.